to ask about is recent development just happened a few days ago. We just learned, or I think yesterday they officially announced it, where Francis Ngannou, the UFC heavyweight champion, has been released from the UFC.
Right.
He's been trying to come to terms with them. Of course, I don't know the intricacies of the UFC side of things or Francis's side of things, but the point is, the man that the UFC spent so much time building up as the baddest man on the planet is now no longer fighting for the UFC.
Right.
I've got to ask you, I know this is all fresh and new, but what do you think the chances are of you possibly signing Francis Ngannou, or your relative interest in it? I know that he's graced Extreme Couture in the past, and I'm sure you've got some acquaintances there. Just would like to hear your thoughts on that.
Yeah, Francis is a friend, he's a good friend, and he's a teammate. And 100% now that, he's a free agent, we're definitely interested. But I'm pretty sure Francis is back home now. He's been back home for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And so there will definitely be a time that I'm sure that we'll get to talk to him as well as everybody else, if you will. But yeah, I don't know exactly what he's thinking and what is on his mind, because I heard, like I said, he left for home 2 weeks ago. But when that time comes, we will definitely talk to him.